My name is Gordon Robinson, and I'm the president of Specialty Property Limited in Waco, Texas, and we own and manage industrial warehouse space, including large amount of office space. Yeah, approximately 20 years ago, Stuart Parsons approached me in the office that we're sitting in now with his company, Parsons Roofing, and the Duralast roofing system. At the time, he was a very young individual, but I was very impressed with the presentation that he made, especially about the Duralast system. The original Duralast system building that we installed was at the Caterpillar facility, which was formerly the General Tire plant here in Waco, Texas, which was an over a 2.2 million square foot facility, and we gave him the opportunity to re-roof 30,000 square feet. One of the most significant roofing projects that Parsons Roofing did on my behalf was at the Caterpillar facility about 2 years ago. And it not only involved re-roofing, it involved removing the old deck system all the way to the ground and reinstalling a brand new metal deck and a Duralast system on top of it. Not every roofing company in Waco or anywhere else would be able to get this done. Parsons Roofing is currently working on for me today is to finishing up the remaining 200,000 square feet of the otherwise 2 million square foot property, which consists of over 35 acres that Parsons Roofing has been able to re-roof during the past 17 years without any difficulty whatsoever. In the past, most of the office buildings that we have re-roofed have had a darker roofing system, and since we've installed the lighter Duralast system, we have had a significant decrease in our utility cost. One of the most important things to me in the Duralast system is the affordability of the 15 to 20 year warranty that comes with the Duralast system. I really appreciate the fact that Stuart Parsons and Parsons Roofing will go out on an annual basis and inspect my roofs. I continue to use Parsons Roofing because when I first met Stuart 17 years ago, he's always done exactly everything he said he would do. I have never received any change orders in the 17 years of doing business with Parsons Roofing, and he's always accessible if there's ever any problems that need to be taken care of. I'd recommend Parsons Roofing for anyone's roofing needs, especially the Duralast roofing system. It's not surprising that over the past 10 years, they've been the #1 Duralast roofing contractor in America.